What's up, guys? My name is Dr. Antonio with Live Loud Chiropractic and Coaching, and we're going to be talking about shoulder health, shoulder mobility today with the Kettlebell Halo. Now, this is a really good movement for priming the shoulder system, the rotator cuffs, for firing patterns and just getting everything ready, but it's also really good for enhancing your shoulder mobility and trying to carve out and expand upon the limitations that you might have. Now, the Halo exercise can be done from a standing position, a tall kneeling position, a half kneeling position. Any of those are completely valid. The point is to stack your system though, and it's just our arms moving. Now, the cue that I like to give is making big circles. If you can make a bigger circle with your elbow, right? I'm not saying shoulder. If you can make a bigger circle or a bigger motion with your elbow, that then in turn is going to force greater shoulder excursion. Okay, so what this looks like from a side view here is I'm going to be in a tall kneeling position here. Kettlebell's held upside down, and I'm simply making a halo around my head. Now notice in the back, the kettlebell is pointing down. As it comes around to the front, it's then pointing back upright. Now from here, I'm simply thinking big elbow motions from both sides. The kettlebell actually doesn't move any further, but in doing so, I get a lot more shoulder range of motion. I don't necessarily get more by going deeper in that position, but it can open up and stretch you out a little bit more if that feels good. Okay, now again, stacking might help you, or split stance might help you stack your system a little bit better. The point is when we're doing this, we don't want a whole bunch of body motion. You're just cheating the system there. The goal is to get most of the motion out of your shoulders, so you want to keep this fairly still and rigid.